Hi everyone, this is Nikhil and welcome to my YouTube channel which is known as a CAT Career Analyst Trainer. So today we gonna talk about mainly about those people who are looking for a job, mainly the 10th and 9th students, and who are staying at home and they are getting bored. So let's gear up and learn some new skills which should help you when you go in the market, when you apply for a job. Okay, so there are mainly three courses which I'm going to talk about today, so you can master those skills and you can prepare yourself for your job. So first course is the first one is the Excel, where you need to master the Excel because the Excel is required until once you get into the organization, or it will also require when you do your some data work. So to manage your data, to keep a storage of data. So the Excel is most required in any organization. So try to master this Excel. We will talk about which courses you need to do. I will show you definitely the main, which is the good one, which is the best course where I have mastered myself, and so which is a free. So I'm going to talk about today the mainly free courses who can easily learn and who can easily master their skills. So first is Excel, second is computer science. Of course, without computer science knowledge, no any organization will hire you if you don't know about the basics, how to operate it, how to make a PowerPoint presentation, how to work with the programming. So no one will hire you. Okay, so second is computer science, and third, where I will talk about also some other resources where you can learn from training academy, where there is this government is involved, where the government provides a certificate for that of people who get trained from that academy, and also it is free of cost, but there is some criteria for that. So we will discuss these three things in this video. So let's look over the first one for Excel. So the Chandu is really the big amazing Excel expert who is making consistently the videos about the Excel. So you can refer this Chandu for the Excel. Okay, just write in the Google Chandu and you will land up this page. So just go to this first link, and this here you can see he have all the PDF materials and all. So you can just go through the Excel, like if you are interested about the particular target, like VLOOKUP, extra project management templates, Excel dashboards, project management. So this is the best platform I prefer, and I also ask my colleagues to prefer this platform, so who want to master this Excel, which is a free, totally free for anyone. You can even use in your he also hold a YouTube channel, so where you can also learn from him. So he keep on giving new updates about the Excel. So see, he have a 500 plus excellent tutorials and downloadable workbooks. So even if you don't want to watch videos, and you can look over it. So the second one is, which I will talk about, is the computer science course, which is mainly offered by the Harvard University. So second skills which is required to master some basics, so which is a beginner level course, uh, which is given by Harvard University. So you need to type introduction to computer science and Harvard. So land up this page, just click on this. So you will land up here. So here you need to take the course. So you need to just click on this, take the course. Okay, link is taking time. Let's see. So you will land up this course, like it started, if there will be some duration that is starting at May 17. So you need to enroll now, click on enroll now. So it will require your Gmail address and all. So write your full name, public username, your country, region. Okay, just create account and you will be able to use that courses. Okay, which is the second one. Third one is which I was talking about, the training academy, okay, which is a government approved by of Punjab Mohali. So they used to run their RPL training for 10th and 9th students, and also for as well for a 12th. It is a job oriented course. So there is some there is need to make a registration. There is some minimal fee which is required, I believe. It's like 300 to 1000, okay, but depending on their proficiency and the scholarship test, you have to not pay any fees. So which is, you can just need to type RPL training CITC, and you will land up this page and click on the first link. So it is a government approved computer course, so which will also help you to become ready for your job market. So you can see over here, the process is really quick and easy. So you need to make a registration, you need to select your course, proceed for payment, and start learning. Okay, so you can also see a study center, so their regional office member. This is an online course because this now situation is really and it's not good. So I would recommend you to go and do this online if you're comfortable and you have been, if you want to learn, which is, they see, you can see there are many multiple courses like 3 months, 6 months, 2 year. There is called skill development. There are many domains like apparel, home furnishing courses, beauty and health, electronics and hardware, logistics, diploma in medical lab technician. Okay, so you can visit this and you can explore this courses. Like see, there are some other if I go skill development courses which is offered by the government. Okay, it's taking time. This, see, RPL training under PKMV. So batch name skill development course started 1st May. Eligibility is something, I believe 9th and 10th, your like Aadhaar card and all will be required. Okay, so see, there is a center name, mobile number, number of systems. Okay, so you can explore this and you can click here to reach the click here course details, like see skills like computer proficiency, Photoshop, Adobe, C++, HTML, mobile app, web development, and programming skills are included. So just try to explore these things, and which is NSDC is a National Skill Development Corporation which is offered by a government. So I would highly recommend you to do this course and get ready for your job market. So it's the time, the time is bad, but it's also, we need to see the positivity about this time. Just try to gain the skills according to the market. And my personal also advices to you, just master the Excel, computer science, and you will be ready for the job. And stay tuned for the next video, and don't miss to subscribe this channel. Thanks, and have a great time. Bye.